Hi everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Thank you so much for joining me today. And I want to welcome all my new subscribers and welcome everyone who's been with me for a long time. Well, I've had my channel, it'll be 2 years in September. I can't believe 2 years. Yeah, when I started off my channel, I was trying to act professional. I don't know if I came off like that, but I thought the heck with that, I'm just going to be me. So this is what you got. All right, so I want to say a huge thank you to Crystal at Bag a Day. Hi, Crystal. Oh my goodness. She did something that I never even thought would never happen, never crossed my mind, never thought about it at all, never tried to get her to do this, you know. She shouted out one of my, this one, designs. Oh my gosh, I was so moved. She had put up a community post sharing my latest tutorial. And okay, I'm going to tell you what happened, how I discovered it and everything. Now, I know, Crystal, when people win your giveaways, you like to know what they were doing when they saw their name come up, right? So I'm going to tell you what I was doing when I saw your post. It was late at night. It was Friday night. Today is Monday, June 7th, 2021. So it was Friday night, late at night. I think it was close to midnight or something, and I was going to be going to bed soon. And sometimes I like to check out the community posts if they don't pop up in my feed right away to see what people are talking about. One of them I check out is Crystal at Bag a Day. So I clicked on her, went to her community post, and then I see my tutorial. I'm like, oh, I must have clicked on my own community post by mistake. And I thought, no, wait a minute, I didn't share the video, I just shared a picture and then put the link. Okay, what's going on? I was confused. And then I looked at the top and it said Bag a Day. I'm like, what? No. And then I started reading it. And I'm going to put a picture of her post right here. Can you imagine my excitement when I saw that? And yes, I printed it out. I don't think I'll frame it and put it on the wall, but you never know. So she wrote, and she'd had this up 6 hours already. So she wrote, beautiful top tutorial that just dropped by Darla at Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. Like, what? Check out her great tutorial, and her awesome channel. Show her some YouTube love and support by subscribing if you like. And then she's got a heart, and then she's got my tutorial there, my video tutorial. And I'm like, oh my God, Crystal is one of the most talented, amazing crochet designers in all the world as far as I'm concerned. And she's shouting out one of my designs? And I was just so moved and so thrilled, and I'm thinking, me? Me? And then I thought, how am I going to sleep? And I couldn't sleep. So I screenshot it and I put it on my Facebook group, Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. So I'll put my Facebook group down below if you want to go there and join the group. That would be fantastic. So then I'm like, I don't believe this is happening. I still don't believe it happened. And I thank you so much, Crystal. It's such an honor. I feel so honored because I think so highly of you, and you don't only have amazing tutorials, you're an amazing person all around. And you're so kind, you're so giving, you're so down to earth, you're real. You don't try to pretend you're somebody else. You have a huge channel and you act like you're just, you know, it's just me, you know, and that's an amazing thing. I'm just trying not to get too emotional here, but this is so awesome. This is so awesome. Just because you are such an amazing crochet designer, and then to share one of my designs. Okay, so this is it. This is the top. I call it the Cutezy top. And yeah, it's oh, and another little story to do with this top. I hope you're still with me. Anyway, I was trying to get this tutorial out, trying to finish it, and I made a mistake somewhere when I was crocheting, and I thought, oh no, what did I do? Where's that mistake? I don't know what I did, and oh my goodness. So I got frustrated and I frogged it, and I had frogged it a couple of times by then, and I had mentioned this in one of my videos, and and I'm sorry, I can't remember who it was, commented that sometimes good things come out of frustration. And I thought, yeah, that's true, that's very true. So I actually changed pretty much the whole design and made this one. And then Crystal from Bag a Day shouted it out. You know, I want to say this too, that sometimes, I'm getting goosebumps, sometimes things do happen where you get frustrated or you could get angry, and then if you would just calm down and think, you know, something good is going to happen from this, and look what happened. Crystal shouted out my design. And thank you so much, Crystal. I mean, we just have to wait and see what happens. You know, the Lord works in amazing ways, and sometimes it's hard. You know, sometimes we forget that. We just want everything to go our way, right? But anyway, thank you again, Crystal, so much. Now, of course, I'm going to put Crystal's link below. If you're new to crochet or new to making wearables, she makes a lot of wearables. I do too. And she'll tell us about new yarn. Sometimes she buys it, and she shows it on her channel and lets us know how soft it is and if it's scarfable. And she'll buy from small yarn businesses as well, which is really cool. She likes to support them as well. And tutorials, like I said, sometimes her husband will be in her videos, and they're so funny and so cute together. Yeah. So apparently he crochets as well. So yeah, just go over there and subscribe and show her some yarny love. And so that's it. Thank you so much, Crystal. Thank you, everyone. Love you all, and God bless you all. Bye for now.